Hi guys, so welcome to a really cold day. It's freezing cold, but anyway, I've just thought I'd bring you an update on the development that we're doing at the moment with the 2 bungalows. So this, if you remember from before, this is where the original driveway originally was, but as you can see now, it's just full of soil and it's just a mess. But this is going to be the rear garden of this house, so this will be fenced off down here, and that'll be a nice rear garden. Remember, we're flipping them around. So yeah, that's the front, which will be the rear. So as you can see, we've cleared out the road. So I've already gone through all this on the first video, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but just wanted to give you a quick update just to show you where we are. So as you can see there, we've cleared all the garden now. So we had a slight challenge with the levels. The Archaeological Society wanted us to take a metre off the top in case we found any hidden treasures. So we've had to go down further than we anticipated. So as you can see, we've got the plot 1 is already, footings have all been excavated, concrete's been filled, and now we're just starting to build the footings. Plot 2 we haven't done anything with yet, so I'll just let you have a quick look around. So as I mentioned before, we're going to flip it all around, so you can see there that the driveway has now been completely cleared, the garage is gone, so now we can eventually we'll have the roadway that services these 2 plots, and that'll be the front drive to that house. So as you can see, there's a stream running down the side of the site there, so we're going to reinforce and build a retaining wall which will retain the driveway eventually. So you can see down there that you've got the stream. So as mentioned before, we're renovating the house. It's going to be refurbed into a family home, so in the meantime it means we don't need a welfare office. So in here we've set up one of the rooms as our welfare office for the construction workers. So we've just got the plans here, we've got the printer, we've got laptop, we've got toilet facilities, we've got everything we need. Normally we'd have to hire in a welfare unit for the site, which is about £3,000. So in this instance, we've got a saving because we can use the existing house. So yeah, just a different shot here. So as you can see here, the garden was really deceptive before. That is the plot 1, and then you've got the house in the background, and we'll eventually build a wall to separate the 2 houses. So you can see there that, you know, it's very deceptive, and across there we've got still some of the old garden left. This will be the rear garden to plot 1, and plot 2 just behind you, although you can't see, but plot 2 there, we haven't even started that at the moment. So that's all for today, guys. I just thought I'd just give you a quick update. I'm freezing cold, so I'm going to get back in the warm, but yeah, so this is the second update video. I'll be bringing you another one next week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys, so that you don't miss out on all this exciting content. I'll see you next time.